Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of Shia Online Quran Academy, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, wattaqu yawma. Wattaqu mean and fear yawman, the day when, the day. Wattaqu yawman and fear the day when la tajzi nafsun, a person will not avail an nafsin, another soul, shay'a, anything. Wala yuqbalu, nor shall be accepted, minha, from him, adlu, any ransom, wala tanfa'uha, nor shall benefit him, shafa'atun, any intercession, wala hum yunsarun, nor they shall be helped. And this verse is ayah wilaya. Wa idhi betala, and remember when tried Ibrahim, Rabbuhu, his Lord, bikalimatin, with words. Fa'atammahunna, then he fulfilled them. Qala, he said, Inni, verily I, ja'iluka, am going to make you. Ja'ilu, going to make ka you. Ja'iluka, am going to make you, linnasi, for mankind, imama, a leader. Qala, he said, wa min dhurriyyati, and of my offspring. Qala, he said, la yanalu includes not, ahdi, my covenant, al-zalimin, the wrongdoers. وَإِذْ جَعَلْنَا, and is when. Dear students, remember it is and isa means when, but we are using is for past and isa for present and future. وَإِذْ, and when, جَعَلْنَا, we make, al-bayta, the house, Kaaba, mathabatan, a resort, linnasi, for mankind, wa amna, and safety. Wattakhizu, and take, mim maqami, from maqam, place of standing, Ibrahim, of Ibrahim, musalla, is a place of prayer. Wa ahidna, and we covenanted, ila Ibrahima, with Ibrahim, wa Ismaila, and Ismail, antahira, mean that you both purify. Tahira, both, you both purify, you both. Baytiya, my house, Kaaba, litta'ifina, for whom? Litta'ifina, for those who circumambulate it, wal-aqifina, and those who stay for etikaf, warrukka'is, and those who bow down, as-sujud, and prostrate. Dear students, remember it and try to write down your lessons and send us before coming class tomorrow. Inshallah, we will check. Mu'minin and Mu'minat, we are providing online Quran classes. If someone wants to take online Quran classes, they can contact us. Jazakallah, fi amanillah. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala Muhammadin wa ajil farajahum.